Acme Educational Publications. Number 1. Educational Group. Hello, young learners. My name is Zootopia. Welcome to Happy Phonics, Earlier Foundation Stage 2.
Welcome, young learners. Let's dive into some wordplay fun. Look at these pictures. Which ones have that cool TH sound? Take a moment to think, and when you're ready, let me know. Great job. The pictures with the TH sound are three, thumb, and throw. High fives to everyone who got it right. Now let's put a big cross on the picture that doesn't have that sound. Ready? Cross out the battery. Excellent. You're on fire. Now let's move to our next activity, completing words. Get ready to finish these words with flair. Complete the word, first word. Yes, you nailed it. It's 3. Fantastic job. Now, on to the next one. Complete the word. Brilliant. It's 30, it is. You're cruising through these words. Next up, complete the word. Absolutely right. It's thumb. You're unstoppable. Let's keep the momentum going. Complete the word. Amazing. Thunder it is. You're acing this. 2 more to go. Complete the word. You got it. Throw it is. 1 last word. Complete the word. Thing is spot on. You've completed the word challenge with flying colors. Great job, little word wizards. Comment us the screenshot of your activity. Must like, subscribe Acme Educational Publications, and share this video.